All right, I'm over here giving my nephew drum lessons, but he likes to tape everything. I guess he saw me put a little tape in the back of the drum. Now he's obsessed with taping things up. All right, so look, this is how we had to rig it. Because my nephew actually broke the pad for his foot pedal. So this is actually my sister's nail filer, which is pretty like a felt soft material, so it won't bust through his hand. But it was sounding like a kid's drum, so we put I took a little piece of a rag and I taped it to the back so it would give it a little deeper. Wait, I gotta record. What job, Heido?
The paper and glue.
All right, good job, Heido. Good job. Work on your art practice. So this is what it's all be like. Look, Heido, right here.
Paper and glue, Flippy.
Heido. All right, watch out so we can do our recording. All right, so it's going to be like this. Let's move it back a little bit. Wow.
Paper and glue. Paper and glue.
Yeah, paper and glue. Good job. All right, so look. This is it right here, Heido. Look.